The illustration by Eleanor Fortescue-Brickdale depicts an image of a youth dressed in ornate regal attire, including a mitre, a traditional ceremonial headpiece often associated with bishops. The figure also holds a staff or crozier, another symbol of ecclesiastical authority. The youth has wings representing Cupid. The background features Gothic architectural elements like pointed arches and stained glass windows, suggesting a setting in a medieval church or cathedral. The scene depicts St. Valentine preaching to the birds as though they were his parishioners. The illustration is based from a 17th century poem by John Donne dedicated to Bishop Valentine, a saint from the 3rd century commemorated for performing illegal Christian marriages in defiance of the law. The poem was written by Donne to celebrate in his day of royal marriage. The poet hails Bishop Valentine, attributing to him the power to unite birds in marriage on his feast day, suggesting that all of nature celebrates love on this day, making it more radiant than ever. The speaker elevates the day's significance by claiming that Valentine unites not just ordinary birds but 2 phoenixes, symbolizing a rare and remarkable union that renews itself and defies death. The speaker urges the Phoenix bride to rise, implying that her love and the brilliance of her wedding array outshine the sun, and her transformation into a new star signals a significant and wondrous change in the world. The speaker calls for the couple to come together in a seamless and inseparable union, suggesting that true love, like theirs, is infinite and indivisible, and the blessing of their union by a bishop makes them one in heart and hand. The poet wonders why the sun delays setting on the special day, perhaps dazzled by the couple's splendor. The festivities seem prolonged by the onlookers' desire to savor the moment and the maskers' reluctance to leave, as if they wish the celebration could extend into the night reserved for Valentine. Night falls, yet the wedding formalities continue to delay the couple's union. The speaker humorously comments on the slow undressing of the bride, wishing the couple to finally come together, signifying the true culmination of Valentine's Day in their intimate union. In this private moment, the couple shines with honesty and passion, reciprocating love so freely and generously that they seem both to owe and own everything to each other, embodying the true spirit of Valentine's Day. With the consumption of their love, the couple, like two phoenixes, become one, restoring the natural order. As they rest, those around them await the break of day marked by their awakening, extending the celebration of Valentine's Day beyond its usual bounds.